Okay, guys, good morning, everyone. Good morning. So, this morning I'll be showing you how to remove background from your image on Pixellab. You're aware that you can remove background using your app. You can use your CapCut, you can even use InShot, you can use Remove BG app. But I want to show you two ways in which you can actually remove background from your Pixellab. So, the first thing we'll be doing is importing an image. So, your plus from gallery, the three dots, browse. So I am already in my pins because that's where I want to take the image I'll be making use of. Okay, so this is the image I want us to make use of. Let's make use of this. Yes. Okay. So now to remove background from this, you can after highlighting the circle in the middle, click on it. Then you can use your erase color, enable it. You see the white has gone. You can use this erase color mostly when the background of the image you want to remove is white. You get, so you can use your erase color. You see why I took the tolerance level back, because after removing the white there is a space here in the face of the girl, so you take the tolerance level back. See, it has covered. So this is just very simple of removing background, but this can only be used when you have a background that has white background, an image, sorry, that has a white background. You use your erase color and you're done. Your image has been removed. So let's hide this. Now another way, now this one is when you don't have a white background. Another way to remove a background using your Pixellab when you don't have a white background. That's what I want to show us now. Okay, so let's remove background from this. Yes, let's remove background from this. So the first thing we'll be using our eraser. Actually, this one is going to be a lot, but then we'll do it. So you increase it, because, and then this, while we increasing this, it will, like, it's going to blur the edges. Okay, and this one is so you can just like the handle. Okay, so just keep, this is how you just be removing it. Remove it. Okay. You can even zoom in so you can be seeing it. You can zoom in so you can be seeing it. Zoom in so you can be seeing it now. You have to be careful actually with this. I think we can increase the eraser until we get close to the edges. You have to be careful. You see, we are seeing it when we're getting close to the black. We see it. We are getting close to the black, so you can just be looking at it to know when you're getting close. You have to actually be. You have to be very, very careful.
Give me one slice now.
You have to be very, very
Give me
careful.
one slice now.
So you just
Maybe one slice, not give me.
try to be very, very careful.
That is not slice.
Okay.
Yes. Maybe I just see me now.
Actually, I prefer using the app, but then this is just for the knowledge of it, so that you understand that there's actually a way to remove background on Pixellab without using the app. Okay. So this is just it. You have to just keep going. To just try your best to make sure this is. Just try your best to see how you can. Hold on, I don't like using this actually, because you will have to be very, very careful. Okay, you have to be very, very careful. Okay. Okay. You see, I did not see that edge.
Thank you. But you know we don't plan.
Did not see that edge. So we have to remove this other side. You see why I say I don't prefer this? But it's a very easy way actually, if you will be patient enough to remove it. Using your erase color is very easy. The background was white. You just use your erase color to just remove it. Because the background is not white, that's why we're doing this now. Okay, we're almost done. Just be careful.
Pay your NEPA money.
Oh, yes. Let's put a background and see how it will look like. Okay. You see, there are still some edges that have not been fully removed. So you can always just go back and try to clear it. Try to clear the edges. Okay. Try to clear the edges, but you just have to be very careful. So yes, these are the two ways. If the background is white, you can just use your erase color. Then if background is not white, just use your eraser and remove the background. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.